Okay, these are the Beamtech fanless units in a G4. I'll just take this one out. The left side's a little easier. So I turn it 45 degrees counterclockwise and then pull it out. And you'll see this is how you have to get it aligned before you put it in. You have this little set screw right there that you can take out and put in any hole you want. You want it aligned so that the tab aiming up is the one with the little extension on it. You see it's different than that tab and different than this tab. So the one aiming up, the headlight goes straight up and down, and the top LED is the one most forward, that's your low beam. If you have it like that and all aligned so that your fins aim like this, now when you put it in, you can go basically about 45 degrees and the alignment pins will go in. Now you can just turn it clockwise and it's locked. It comes close to the plastic, very close, but it's not that hard to get in. The other side is a tiny bit more challenging, but not much. It goes in and out the same exact way. So I'm just gonna take it and turn it counterclockwise about 45 degrees. Boom. Then I can pull it out, and you'll see this one is adjusted the exact same way. So the fins go up and down. This alignment tab goes up, and my top beam is the one most forward. Now again, when I put it in, it does come a little bit closer to this plastic right there, but I'll put it in. I'm gonna have to do it left-handed, but if you get it in at a little bit of an angle, like that, you kind of have to push and wiggle it in. Once it's in, just turn it and lock it like that. Now it's locked in. So it's a tiny bit of finagling to get it in, and then you can take these connectors and hide them underneath so that your glove box and everything fits down flush. That's it. That's all there is to it.